Welcome to an exciting adventure. Today, we are exploring substances acidic, basic, and neutral. This is science for class 7. Ready to learn what makes lemons sour, soap slippery? Let's get started. It's National Science Day, and a school is hosting a big science fair. Two friends, Ashwin and Kirti, get blank papers. When a mystery liquid is sprayed on them, words appear saying, "Welcome to the wonderful world of science." At a stall called Colorful World of Substances, they see liquids mixing and changing colors. For that, let's look about the properties of acids and bases. Acids taste sour, like lemon juice or vinegar, and have special acids, like citric acid in lemons or acetic acid in vinegar. They turn blue litmus red in red rose extract red. Bases feel slippery, like soap or baking soda, and often taste bitter, but don't taste them. They turn red litmus blue, red rose extract green, and turmeric paper red. Neutral substances, like water, don't change indicators and have no strong taste or feel. Substances can be acidic, basic, or neutral. We use special tools called indicators to find out what they are. Indicators change color or smell when mixed with a substance. For example, a color change can show if something is acidic, like lemon juice, or basic, like soap. Let's meet an indicator called litmus. Litmus comes from lichens, which are like tiny plants made of fungus and algae growing on rocks or trees. It comes as blue or red paper strips. Here's how it works. If a substance turns blue litmus red, it's acidic, like lemon juice. If it turns red litmus blue, it's basic, like soap. If there's no color change, it's neutral, like water. Litmus is a simple way to test substances at home or school. Now let's see red rose extract. Red rose extract is made by crushing fresh rose petals, soaking them in hot water, and filtering to get a red liquid. In acidic substances, like lemon juice, it turns red. In basic substances, like soap solution, it turns green. In neutral substances, like sugar solution, it stays the same. It's like litmus but uses a flower, which makes it fun. Roses aren't just pretty. Let's check out turmeric next. Next is turmeric. In neutral media, turmeric stays yellow. Even in acidic solution, it stays yellow. But in basic solution, it changes its color to vermilion red. Olfactory indicators. Some things change their smell, not their color, when mixed with acids or bases. For example, a cloth dipped in onion juice has a strong onion smell. If you add an acid like tamarind water or a base like baking soda, the onion smell goes away. This is a simple way to tell if something is an acid or a base just by using your nose. Exploring smells can be a fun way to learn science. Let's check out more natural indicators. Natural indicators. Plants like beetroot, purple cabbage, red hibiscus, and jamun also work as indicators. They change colors in acidic or basic solutions. For example, hydrangea flowers in the Himalayas grow blue in acidic soil and pink or red in basic soil. This shows how nature uses acidic and basic properties. Here's a cool fact. When an acid and a base mix, they neutralize each other. Neutralization is the reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water. During neutralization, salt and water are formed, along with the release of some heat. It's like acids and bases cancel each other out and create something totally new. Science is full of surprises, isn't it? Neutralization in everyday life. First, situation 1. Got an ant bite? It can really sting, right? But guess what? It can be neutralized by rubbing the ant bite with moist baking soda, which contains sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, or with a solution of calamine, which contains zinc carbonate, ZnCO3. Isn't it great how science helps us in so many ways? Now let's see. Situation 2. Plants cannot grow properly and the yield decreases. Adding a base like quicklime, calcium oxide, neutralizes the soil and makes it suitable for plants. It's all about balance. Lastly, did you know that factory waste can be acidic? If it's not treated, it can harm water sources and the living organisms there. This waste must be treated with bases for neutralization before it is released into a water source. Otherwise, it can cause damage to living organisms in the water. Protecting the environment is another way science makes a difference. Let's recap. We joined Ashwin and Kirti at a science fair and learned that substances are acidic, basic, or neutral. Indicators like litmus, red rose, turmeric, and onion help us figure out what they are by changing color or smell. Acids are sour, bases are slippery, and neutral substances don't change indicators. Neutralization happens when acids and bases mix to make a neutral solution, helping with ant bites and even saving fish from factory waste. Thanks for being awesome scientists. Keep exploring the world around you, and maybe you'll discover something new. See you next time. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Eduref to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all, you also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 7. Thank you.